So SAP for beginners, posting good receipt for a stock transfer order. Hey, SAP beginners, you have successfully created a stock transfer order and the goods are on their way. Now, how do you officially record their arrival and make them available in your receiving plant? It's time for the good receipt. Posting a good receipt for an STO is a critical step in interplant material movement. It moves the stock from in transit to unrestricted use or another stock type in their receiving plant, updating your inventory and financial records. In modern SAP S/4HANA environments, this process is often handled efficiently with dedicated SAP Fiori apps. Let's look at how to do it using the Pass Good Receipt for Purchasing document app. So why is it important? Accurate inventory, update stock level in the receiving plant, financial impact triggers necessary financial posting to reflect the stock's transfer. Visibility, complete the loop of the stock transfer process, removing item from in-transit status. So step-by-step guide using the Fiori apps. So the first one is login. Um, so I just have to change. So for instance, log on, access your SAP Fiori Launchpad as a warehouse clerk. Your Fiori home screen will appear. Then open the app, search for and open the postcode receipt for purchasing document app. The relevant screen will display. So, okay, postcode receipt for purchasing document. Okay, in the app. So search for your STO. Okay, postcode receipt for purchasing document. So search for your STO, click on the search icon or button to find your specific stock transfer order. You will see a list of relevant purchasing documents. So it's simple, you just have to click on the match code and you can hold category that is the purchase order and click on go to look for my purchase order. So I remember, so for at the end, so name of the supplier, I remember that is this one, yeah. So select the STO from the search results, select your stock transfer order. The system will then load all the detail of the good receipt associated with the STO onto the main screen. Okay, then enter delivery note. Locate the field delivery note and enter the physical delivery note. If applicable, you might also specify printing option like individual slip for output management and press enter to validate entries. So like this, individual slip and delivery note, like this. Other point, enter batch number if applicable. If the material is a batch managed, meaning each quantity belongs to a specific batch, you will need to enter the batch number that were assigned to the material in the outbound delivery from the supplying plant. Ensure this match to correctly track your inventory by batch. Yeah, then step 7, select item and post. Review the item display. Select the item for which you want to post the good receipt. Crucially, enter the storage location where the goods will be placed. If there wasn't pre-filled from the SEO, you will need to provide it here. Once everything looks correct, choose post button. So I received only the item 10. I've got my plant, I've got my storage location, my stock type is good. So for me, everything is okay right now. I don't have any batch management, and I'm able to click on post. Okay, account required an assignment relevant to cost accounting. Okay, I just need to complete some information, but what's what happens next? The system will activate the posting process. You will see a success message, typically material document posted, indicating that your good receipt has been successfully recorded. A new material document number will be generated. So typically, when you have this message, that means that the equivalent to the OKB9 sitting in S4HANA public cloud. So in the public cloud, you have to go in the CBC and manage a default account assignment. I will show you how to proceed for that. So wait, loading. I don't know, it's take us so sometimes loading. I don't know what's happened. I refresh the page. So as I'm not able to use correctly, another page is weird. We called manage your solution to call the CBC, manage your solution. I go to the follow the link to central business configuration. Then I go to configuration, and then I'm looking for the configuration IT 102639 for manage default account assignment. Manage default account assignments. Okay, I go inside the CBC, manage default account assignment. Again, that is the equivalent in the SAP GUI to OKP9. So I'm looking for that, if I remember, the GL account 68002000. So if I position for I know, and CDA1 for KPC in Canada. So I say that I don't have any cost center. So I'm looking for into the company code CTA1. R&D, no data, financials, CTA, this one. Okay, I save. So my data is safe. I go back into my post good receipt for purchasing document and I click on post again. Okay, and I complete definitively all the accounts, CTA1 for my cost element. Okay, I complete the cost center. Okay, I put another one. I save and I try again. I do post. Okay, and I explained previously what happens. The system will activate the posting process. You will see a success message, typically material document posted, indicating that your good receipt has been successfully recorded. A new material document number will be generated. This streamlined Fiori process ensures accurate and timely updates to your inventory, keeping your supply chain flowing smoothly. If I go to the detail of my material document to show you that a good receipt has been done. Okay, movement 101. So if I go back later in my stock in transit, I will see that the item number 10 is not available. So we are able to do to show you right now our MB5T display stock in transit. I'm looking for CTA1 for KPC in Canada. You see, only the height and 20 is right now available. Great. See you later.